So I am here at my friend Janie's signing books because a really good friend is one who buys multiple copies of your book to give as Christmas presents. And it just reminded me that I might want to remind you that if you need a gardening Christmas gift,
this is perfect.
This is perfect for the gardener in your life. So I've got my work cut out for me, but if you guys want a signed copy, just order a copy and Stuart and I will be happy to send you a signed book plate to put inside of it. In the Elegant and Edible Garden, I share how I started a garden basically from scratch, and I hope to inspire you to do the same, where you mix edibles with ornamentals in really beautiful ways, either in a dedicated kitchen garden or just within your various garden beds, containers, however you garden and on whatever scale. Well, to me, a really elegant garden is one that's very personal with all sorts of signature touches. And to make it really personal, I think it has to have what I call good garden fit. A garden that fits with your lifestyle, with the style of your home, with your climate, your geography, your neighborhood, and really, most importantly, the things that you want to grow and eat. And in this book, we can explore together the aesthetics of creating a really beautiful garden. Express yourself creatively with colors, textures, forms, the shape of your garden, what you use to adorn it, garden ornaments, structures, pergolas, all sorts of things that will help animate your garden and make it truly your own. Well, we can't have just a beautiful garden alone. It has to be practical. So let's talk about ways that it can be organized well, located correctly, manageable for us to maintain, and that's both flexible and adaptable to our lives now and in the future. And finally, let's explore ways that our gardens can appeal to all 5 of our senses. We really want to make our gardens experiential in nature, to engage with them, and not only engage with our gardens, but also share them with others. So let's look at ways that we can share our gardens with our communities, with our neighbors, with our friends, and most importantly, with our family. Because after all, gardening isn't just a hobby, it's a calling. And I hope this book encourages you to answer the call.